Beautiful looking right now.
And the beat with
wow.
stomp on the floor. Well, outside the leopard frogs sing sweetly. These are the hills that today we've ignored. And all across the desert, and all up in the mountains, a wind so loud that we might never mention. But here's to my lovers, hands and feet. They are the roots that will wade through the floor. And down in the dirt in the wandering, find us night to give us rest, to give us work. He asks us for our patience. He asks us for our patience. And he asks us what we have done for our souls lately. Down by the barrow tree, I locked your locket in the loan. There fell to my knees, neath the coil and the brush of the fern. But down by the barrow your locket in the loam, and there fell to my knees, neath the coil and the brush of the fern. The candles light dances across the table, and will burn at the tip of my pen, and lure all the mowers into the kitchen to spin tales and adventures through the evening, inscribe for them their stories. Describe for them their stories, while they wax and wax of their lives in the country. Well, down by the barrow tree, I lost your locket in the loam.
Got a dead branch.
And there fell to my knees, neath the coil and the brush of the fern. Well, down by the barrow tree, I lost your locket in the loam. There fell to my knees, neath the coil and the brush of the fern. sure.
Yeah.
We're called the bower birds.
Bower,
bower
without the
birds.
Y, bower bird.
Yeah. Thank you.